Now the first startup. It's alive and running. Just connecting our tablet. First startup on its brand new engine. Checking for pending codes or active codes now. It's thinking. Oh shit, no codes. We do got some pending codes though. It's alive. The Veloster's in first voyage. Gonna go put 15 miles on it. Down the road. Just coasting, just driving. But it's first voyage. Well, this 2019 Veloster is finally done. I've put about 20 miles on the road. Everything is good. Everything's cold's holding, oil's holding. Everything's in great shape. It's running like it was brand new. Oh wait, it's a new engine. Of course, it's brand new. So yeah, it's all put back together. Filled the AC and everything. So that'll be the last of you guys will be seeing this Veloster. It's out of here. Customer is picking up later today. Of course, it's snowing outside, so we'll see how that goes. Will they hit a fender? Curb? I don't know. But it's definitely snowing outside here in Colorado. So the exact mileage it has on the odometer. Finally got its brand new engine done. There's no check engine lights. Did figure out what it was that was causing my turbo check engine light. There was a wire that was pinched. One of the pins were bent, so fixed that out with help from Techline, and now it's running. So if you'd like to see anything next, let me know. I definitely got some more engines to do. A Sonata with the hole in the block. I have quite a few Sonatas, quite a few Santa Fe's, all going to be getting engines. I have a transmission on an Elantra. If you'd like to see that next, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, so I can keep bringing awesome content on vehicles. Thank you so much.